Hi, so in this video lesson, we're going to work on the D major chord, just like what we discussed earlier today. So if you check out the chord chart, I'm going to display it somewhere here. You'll see that you need to put your first finger, fretting hand finger, inside the second fret of the third string. So what you do first is look at your first finger. Okay, your first finger is your index finger. Okay, for the fretting hand. Now you count the frets. 1, 2. Okay? Then, now this is inside the second fret now. This is the second fret. You count the strings, the third string from the bottom, right? 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. That's the second fret of the third string, first finger. So you need to check if you can play it correctly. So try and pluck that single string. Like that, okay? So if it's sounding correctly, you're doing a good job. But if it sounds like this, you're gonna have to adjust your finger and curl it further, like this. Use your fingertips. And again, like I always say, put your finger close to the metal fret. You see that metal strip, that second metal strip? Put it very close, almost touching the fret, but not above it. It should just be behind it, very close. And do it again. Give it a try. There. So when you're able to play that correctly, just try to memorize and remember where you place that finger, okay, where you put it. Now, the second finger on the D chord should go to the first string, also inside the second fret. So your second finger is your middle finger, okay? So here, middle finger, put it on the first string inside the second fret also. So there it is. This is the position that we're looking for, okay? So give it a try. Play that single string, the first string, and it should play correctly. It should sound clear, okay? And then check your first finger if it's playing correctly. The third string. And then check again your middle finger, your second finger. Like that. Now if it's playing correctly, okay, you add your third finger, which is your ring finger. So on the diagram, you need to put it on the third fret of the second string. Where is the third fret? 1, 2, 3. Second string, 1, 2, right here. So put your third finger inside that area, okay? Now again, if you can, put it close to behind the fret again, like that, okay? So here is what it looks like, the D major chord. Now if I play each string one at a time, there. Those are the strings that I'm fretting right now. The third string, second fret. The third fret, second string. And the second fret, first string. Now on the chord diagram, you'll see that you need to play from the fourth string, third string, second string, and the first string for this particular chord, the D major chord. There you go. You're not going to play the fifth and sixth string. You're going to have to avoid playing that. So here we go. I'm going to play all the strings. I'm going to strum it all at the same time. There you go. So now to make sure that all strings are playing correctly and clear, you want to check one string at a time, starting on the D string, the fourth string. That's pretty easy because that's just a 0 fret. You're not fretting anything on that string. So check on the third string, then check on the second string, and then finally the first string. So if all of them are playing correctly, you can strum them, all those strings at the same time, and that's the D major chord, okay? So practice it slowly, being aware of the fingers that you're going to use for each string and fret, and then make sure that they are playing correctly. Clear each string. Like that. Okay, so practice that, and I'll see you on our next lesson.